The population center is New York City, but the political center is up in Albany.
Right.
So, and in most states, as a matter of fact, I think in the largest 20 states in the Union, the only other state where the population center, next list.
Have you had hip replacement surgery? Some hip replacement systems have higher than average failure rates. If you experienced complications after hip replacement and needed corrective surgery, or a doctor recommended you have additional surgery, you may be entitled to compensation. Call Sokolov Law at 1-800-CALL-JIM for a free legal consultation or visit SokolovLaw.com. Again, that's 1-800-CALL-JIM. Jim Sokolov, Wellesley, Mass. Admitted Massachusetts, New York only.
Off in the Bruins zone, Tim Thomas is left. 3:54 to go in the second. No score. It'll be Krejci along with
the scenes of the storm with the Bruins game behind
there in the defensive zone for the Bruins on the draw. And Charles Steinberg on game. Engage with Leroy. Look at the jumper front. Canada's own Mikey J. Fox in the building tonight. Face off between Henriksen and David Krejci in the right circle. The puck dropped. Bruins control it. Beverly will turn it off ice. At the red line, he'll snap it in. And Horton will hop over the boards for him. There's Lucic into the left corner. Bumps by the exit. Henriksen in looking to backhand it out. Chara holds it in left point. In the left circle, Horton to drive. Save Luongo. Rebound of the exit. He'll play it off the glass of Burrows. And he backhands out on the right wing. Chara trying to snap it in. Burrows played it down low. I think it was offside. Offside. Trying to get out of the zone there. Quick release there by Nathan Horton on that left wing side. Got the exit and Lucic right in front of him. He'll pick that puck up. Through a screen there, make the save. The screen not available because he doesn't see the shot coming in. He's not able to come up with it. It's a pretty exciting game so far. Very physical. Both teams are physical. Vancouver has probably still get the edge to in that department so far. The scoring chance, it's been there for the this period. Most of it's been power play stuff, special team stuff. Not a lot of shots on goal in this period, so recently. Walking at center ice, and Milan Lucic trying to play it. Chris Higgins picks it up. He'll backhand it in, gloving it down his point shot. Cross down to Zdeno Chara. They'll feed it to the Vancouver line. Shots are 25-19 for the Bruins. Still looking for a first goal. Ball from the Edmonton Vancouver. They wave it. Krejci's able to roll out the center of the Horton. Endler posted away from Hidlow. Back to the Bruin line, Mason Raymond. Boychuk. So a good hit to knock him off the puck. Boychuk's been physical here. Kessler behind him trying to center it for Higgins. Blocked over by Chara in front. Chara along the end boards. Higgins posted away from him. Now Raymond on the left side had to roll off the shot. Chara to spin away from Raymond. And with some room, he'll skate it. Up ahead of Milan Lucic. Vancouver native right up the middle. Lucic to the right circle. Holds up. Looking. Leaves it out to Caberlet at the left point. This drive off the end board. Looking for a tip. He's looking for something down low. That puck is still in play. It just went so far up in the air. Nobody knew where it was. Whistle went. Then it landed on the ice. It should stay inside the zone because it never went out. Why did it come outside the zone? Good. That puck never did leave the play. Never left the playing surface. It's still inside. Not much of an argument for the Bruins. The puck just went way up in the air and never left play. Nobody knew where it was, but sure he said it. Serena's got some bounce to it because there was an excess goal to win it against San Jose to clinch that series where no one knew where the puck was after it went off the glass. Except him. Evidently they blew the whistle because the thought was that it went out of play. Back in the Vancouver zone, Marchand. His pass picked off in the slot by Hansel. Hansel will regroup.
I just caught one. I just fucking caught it.
See that coming. Houston lost control of the puck. That was almost the worst thing for Bergeron.
Oh, I just caught a fucking good one, dude.
And he ends up tripping. Up to 17:50. We'll pause 10 seconds for station identification on the 98.5 The Sports on Bruins Radio Network.
This is the flagship station of the Patriots. Bruins. WBZ-FM is HD1. Plus 98.5, the Sports Hub.
Dave Gosher here with you at Rogers Arena in Vancouver. Game 1 of the Stanley Cup Final. No score. Been a special teams game. Power play number 6 for the Canucks. Bergeron to the box with a trip at 17:50. So left circle Daniel today to reach that, blocked away by Seidenberg. Bruins with Campbell and Kelly. Chara with Seidenberg on the penalty kill. And on the right side, Christian Ehrhoff snapped it in front, but wide of the net. Shallow to keep it in left point. Also down the boards to Henrik. His pass partially blocked by Seidenberg. Loose puck to Chara. Pressured by Kessler. Seidenberg comes away with it. Able to fend off Daniel. Played up the right side of Kelly. Henrik keeps it in. Seidenberg into the corner with Daniel. Seidenberg lost his stick. Now he's able to get it back. Daniel spins away from Kelly.
Good protection of the puck there by Daniel Sedin down low.
Ehrhoff straight away, long wrist shot, blocked by the skate of Seidenberg. Who else? Henrik on the right wing, into the circle, feeds it across, it hits the skate of Kessler and kicks wide. Chara takes the body on Kessler and deep, but Chara goes down. To the right circle is Henrik, he'll feed to the cross, but out of the reach of Daniel, and Kelly able to push it up the boards and out. Ehrhoff to regroup in the Canucks zone.
Well, you got three-fourths of that line change for the Bruins. Chara has to stay.
Henrik over the line on the right side. Stick handles down the boards. Down on the right corner to Daniels. Back to the right point to Ehrhoff. 55 seconds to go in the second. Daniels lead along the top of the right circle. Looking. Wristed on net. Glove save Thomas. No rebound. Kessler was in the neighborhood. So was Bieksa. But
Bieksa had come in back door. And he went right through the top of the crease and on down to the side of the net. Just that floater hit on net from that right wing side. Just a rich shot looking for a tip. Kessler and Bieksa both looking for the tip or the rebound.